Sir, mute లో ఉన్నారు.
And the line 3x minus 5 plus 1 equals to 0. So this is a question here. In this question, so we are going to discuss this question based on the homogenization. Homogenization means x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is a homogeneous equation. If you take this equation, x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. These are homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations means the powers, variable powers are equal. Means here x power 2, x power 1, y power 1. Total is 2 in this term. In this term also y power 2. Okay, if you take this power 3. Okay, this is one equation. This in this equation x power 3 and x power 2, y power 1. Total is 3. Here x power 1, y power 2. Total is 3. Here also total 3. Okay, these two equations are homogeneous equations. Now we are going to homogenize this curve equation. So now I am writing. So given, what is given curve? Write it now. Okay, so given curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is a given equation 1. And I am writing the line also. Okay, so what is the given line? So I am taking the line here. Okay, so taking the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Taking this as equation number 2. Okay, if you want to homogenize, okay, so I am finding the value of 1 from equation 2. Okay, means either you can take 3x and minus y to that side, or otherwise 1 that this side. Okay, so for making easier, 1 is equals to, so I'm sending these two terms to that side. Okay, so minus y and 3x. Whenever we take these two terms to that side, then what we get here? Okay, so 1 is equals to minus y becomes plus y and plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Minus 3x. I am taking this as equation number 3. Okay, so 1 is equals to y minus 3x or y minus 3x is equals to 1. Anyone is okay. Now I am homogenizing. Okay, so what I am doing here? So I am homogenizing equation 1 with equation 3. I am homogenizing equation 1 with equation 3. Okay, means here I am writing this. Okay, x square as it is. Okay, x square as it is plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so I written this same as it is, but here whenever we compare the powers, x power 2, okay, x 2xy means x power 1, y power 1, 2, okay, y power 2, okay, x power 1 here, we need one more power here into 1. So here also we need one more power, so I am multiplying by 1. Here only constant we have, so I am multiplying by 1 square. So multiplying by 1 square, there is no change in the value. That's why I am multiplying by 1 or 1 square. Okay, so after this I am substituting this equation 3 in this equation. Okay, that means,
sir, why are you multiplying by 1?
So there is no change. We are homogenizing the equation. So here in this is a method of homogeneous, means we are making all the powers equal. We are making all the powers equal. Here the powers are not equal. In these 3 terms, powers are equal, but in these 2 terms, powers are not equal. Okay, means powers are 1. Here there is power is 0. Okay, we want all the powers equal to 2. Okay, that's why these 2 terms multiplying by 1, this term multiplying by 1 square. Why? Because 5 ones are 5, 10 ones are 10. Okay, means multiplying by 1, there is no change. Understood? Okay, So now plus 2x into 1 means just replace this. Okay, 1 means replace this with y
Y minus
minus
3.
3x. Okay, plus 2y into 1. 1 means y minus 3x. Minus 5 into 1 square. 1 square means y minus 3x whole square equal to 0. What we did in place of 1, okay, so I substituted this term y minus 3x. Okay, so y minus 3x whole square. Okay, so now just simplify here. The x square is as it is, and 2xy is as it is, and y square as it is. 2x into y, 2xy minus 2 3s are 6, x into x square, 2y into y, that is 2y square minus 2 3s are 6, xy minus 5 into a minus b whole square formula we are going to apply here. A square plus b square, 3x whole square. Okay, 3x whole square is b square minus 2ab, 2 into a means y and b means 3x is equal to 0. Now x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so here 2xy minus 6xy. Okay, either you simplify or write one more step. Okay, so minus 6x square, 2y square minus 6xy. Okay, here minus 5 into y square minus 5y square. Okay, 3 square is 9x square. 9x square into 5. 9 5 is a 45. Minus 45 x square. Okay, so here 5 2 3 2 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30. Minus into minus plus. Plus 30xy is equal to 0. Now write them in the order: x square term, xy term, y square term. Here add all the terms, x square terms. Here x square and minus 6x square minus 5x square minus 45 minus 50. Total is minus 50x square. So write this minus 50x square. Okay, and now xy terms: 2xy and 2xy, 4xy, 4xy minus 6xy minus 2xy minus 2xy plus 30xy, 30 minus 2, 28 plus 28xy. Understood? And y square terms: y
Yes, sir.
square and 2y square, 3y square, 3y square and minus 5y square minus 2y square. 3 minus 5 means minus 2y square is equal to 0. Is there any possibility to take common? Minus 2 is possible. Just take minus 2 common. If you take minus 2 common, then minus 2 into 25x square. Okay, we took minus common. So plus term becomes minus 2 14 times and xy as it is. Minus 2, we took a common. So here plus y square is equal to 0. Now 25x square minus 14xy plus y square is equal to 0 divided by minus 2. Minus 2, I am sending to that side. Here it is multiplying. If you take it to that side, it divides. 0 by minus 2 means it becomes 0. Understood? 0 by minus 2 means 0 only. Okay. So here, now I am comparing with this. Okay, what we want? We want the angle. What we want? We want the angle. Okay, so now here, by comparing, so take this as equation number 4. So till here, for any question in this model, okay, in this method, in this model, till here, every problem we solve like this only. There is no other way. Every problem, whatever the question it is, we solve till here same. From here onwards, we have little bit change from here onwards. Okay, so comparing with pair of straight lines equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. When we compare with this, okay, so what is x square coefficient? Okay, 25, write it. Okay, so next 2h, xy coefficient is minus 14 and y square coefficient b is equal to 1. Y square coefficient b is equal to 1. Now we have what we want. He is asking the angle. He is asking the angle. Okay, so what is the formula? What is the formula? Okay, so for finding the angle, cos theta is equals to a plus b whole divided by a plus b whole divided by under root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square or 4h square. Either we can write 2h whole square or 4h square here. Okay, both are same. Just we substitute all the values in this. Okay, that means a value 25, b value 1 whole divided by a minus b. A minus b means 25 minus 1 and whole square plus 2h value. 2h value is minus 14 and whole square. Okay, so for this we have whole root and modulus symbol. 25 plus 1. How much the value 25 plus 1 is? 26 divided by 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 square. What is 24 square value? 24 square. Anybody? Anybody? Anybody?
576.
Yes, very good. And 14 square. What is 14 square value?
196.
Very good. 196. Now, okay, so add these two values. Then we get 26 divided by 576 plus 196. Okay, so add these two numbers. Okay, so then what we get?
772.
Yes, very good. 772. 772. Okay, so now here we are going to simplify this. Okay, so 772. Write like LCM, simplify like LCM. For example, if we take 772 here, so I am taking 772. Okay, so take 2 table, 2 3 is 6, 1 remaining. Okay, 2 8 is 16, more 1 here, 2 6 are 12. Okay, again take 2 table, 2 1s are, okay, means 18, 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 193. 193 is a prime number. We can't divide it more. Okay, so that's why what we have to do here, this we can write this as, okay, so cos theta is equals to 26 divided by 772. We can write it as 2 into 193. Okay, so now this is equals to 26 divided by, so 2 into 2 is 2 square. We can write the 1 2 outside and the root of 193. Okay, now cancel by 2 table. 2 1s are 2 13 times. 2 1s are 2 13 times. Okay, so now this is equals to 13 divided by under root of 193. This is the value of cos theta. This is the value of cos theta. Okay, so now what is the question here? He is asking the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the line. So write the theta value. Theta is equals to cos inverse of, okay, 13 divided by under root of 193. Under root of 193. This is a method, and this is a very easy and important compulsory question we are going to get from this method. Okay, so if you want, once again I'll explain briefly. Okay, so just listen carefully. For here, find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of the curve and the line. One curve is given, one line equation is given. So first write the curve and take it as equation number 1. Okay, so after that write the line and take it as equation number 2. After that, find the value of 1, okay, from the given equation. Okay, either you can take like this. Okay, 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 dividing by minus 1. Okay, minus minus cancel. Okay, so if you multiply by minus, again we get y minus 3x. That is one way. Otherwise, keep that one that side and send the remaining 2 terms to right side. Minus y becomes plus y, plus 3x became minus 3x. Take it as equation 3. With the help of this third equation, we are going to homogenizing this equation 1. Okay, once observe this step or any step from here onward, all the powers are equal. All the powers are equal, right? All the powers are equal means we are homogenizing the equation, means we are making all the powers equal. Understood? For that, what we are doing here, okay, we took the equation of the curve, homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 3. So we took the equation of the curve and 2x term and 2y term multiplying by 1 and constant term multiplying by 1 square. Okay, so when we multiply by 1 or 1 square, there is no change in the value. And in place of that 1, okay, so I am substituting y minus 3x. Okay, here I substituted y minus 3x, y minus 3x, y minus 3x whole square. So here the first 3 terms as it is, and here we multiplied with the first term and second term. Here also 3y, 2y into y, 2y into 3x. After that, here a minus b whole square formula I expanded, a square plus b square minus 2ab expanded. After that, again multiplying inside one by one term. Okay, so then simplified all the x square terms adding together. Okay, so I am adding all the x square terms, here 1x square and here minus 6x square, here minus 45 minus 51 plus 1 means minus 50x square. Add all the xy terms, 2xy and 2xy, 4xy minus 6xy minus 2xy and plus 30, 28 plus 28xy. And after that, okay, so I am taking adding y square term, 1y square and 2y square, 3y square and after that minus 5y square, right? So 3 minus 5e means minus 2y square. So here we can take minus 2 common in all the terms, take minus 2 common, so that here simplification becomes easy. Okay, so we took minus 2 common, so 25 minus 25x square minus 14xy plus y square is equal to 0. Till here, for any question, okay, in this model, any question till here same to same, there is no change. From here onwards, little bit change, that too small changes. Okay, we are going to compare with the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. It is a pair of straight lines, homogeneous equation. We are comparing with that and writing x square coefficient and xy coefficient and y square coefficient, means a value, 2h value and b value. Here we have the formula. Here we have the formula. Okay, so what is the formula here for finding this? Okay, so cos theta is equals to a plus b divided by, okay, under root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square, or a plus b divided by a minus b whole square plus 4h whole square, or 4h square. Okay, so then we are substituting a and b values in this and simplifying. So we got 772. We are trying to write in the factorization form. Okay, factors 2 into 2 into 193. 2 into 2 becomes 2 square. 2 square means 1 2 will come outside. 193 as it is inside the root. Okay, so theta is equals to cos inverse of 13 divided by root 193 is the required solution. Okay, do you have any doubts, anybody till here?
Sir, how did you get ax square plus 2xy, sorry, 24xy plus by square is equal to 0?
Yes,
From where?
that is a formula. Okay, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. It is a homogeneous pair of straight lines formula. Okay, we need to remember that formula. It is a pair of straight lines equation. Okay, straight lines means ax plus by plus c equals to 0. How we have a plus b whole square formula? Like that pair of straight lines equation. Okay, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. It is a formula. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, just revise the once, twice. Okay, so that easily you can remember that formula. Okay. So what formula we are using here? Okay, so we are using, okay, so here homogenizing a plus b whole square formula only after getting this. Okay, so here this is the formula, homogeneous equation formula, pair of straight lines homogeneous equation. And after that, okay, so I'm using angle between the pair of straight lines. This is the formula. Okay, these two formulas are very important in this. If you are perfect with this, then okay, so that's enough for solving this. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so only these two formula, that's it. Okay, means less formula, less concepts, we are giving more priority. Okay, yes. Okay, so no down. Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, right.
No, sir.
Yes, right.